Are you looking for the best action cameras? In this video we will look at some of the best action cameras. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 5. GoPro Max. GoPro's dual-lens action camera uses two lenses to record the entire world around it, but can also function as a single-lens action cam. The Max's strengths as a 360-degree camera are its sharp video quality and software reframing tools. That's not to mention the 6 internal microphones that grab the best in-camera audio of any action cam we've tested. As you might expect from a GoPro, the Max is also tough and waterproof, though only to 16 feet. The GoPro Max is a top pick for creators who want a dual-lens 360 camera and care a lot about audio quality. Travel vloggers and others who present to the camera won't have to fiddle with an external mic with this one, and the Max is waterproof to boot. GoPro offers reframing tools for creative edits too, though they're not quite as polished as what you get with the Insta360 X4. Dimensions: 2.7 by 2.5 by 1.6 inches. Weight: 5.8 ounces. Type: action camera, 360 degree. Sensor resolution: 18 MP. Sensor type: CMOS. Sensor size. Memory card slots: 1. Memory card format: microSD-XC, microSD, microSD-HC. Battery type: GoPro ACBAT 001. Minimum ISO: 400. Maximum ISO: 6400. 35 mm equivalent, wide. Stabilization: digital. Display size: 1.7 inches. Display resolution: touchscreen. Connectivity: USB-C, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Maximum waterproof depth: 16 feet. Video resolution: 5.6K. HDMI output: none. Flat profile. Number 4. DJI Action 2. The DJI Action 2 rethinks the action cam design. It's modular and has magnetic mounting points that let you place the camera in tight spots that can't quite hold a GoPro. You can even use the camera as a wearable body cam with the included pendant necklace mount. Video quality is strong too, with 4K 120 recording available for action and slow motion. If you're looking for a small, wearable camera for travel logs and adventures, the Action 2 is a good choice. The camera's video features are competitive with GoPro's and the industrial design is a winner for style-conscious influencers. Dimensions: 1.5 by 0.9 inches. Weight: 2 ounces. Type: action camera. Sensor resolution: 12 MP. Sensor type: CMOS. Sensor size: Type 1/1.7. Memory card slots: 1. Memory card format: microSD-XC. Battery type: internal. Minimum ISO: 100. Maximum ISO: 6400. 35 mm equivalent, wide. Stabilization: digital. Display size: 2 inches. Display resolution: touchscreen. Connectivity: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB-C. Maximum waterproof depth: 33 feet. Video resolution: 4K. HDMI output: none. Flat profile. Number 3. Insta360 X4. The Insta360 X4 is the camera to get for dual-lens, 360-degree video. It captures an all-around view of the world and gives you the software tools to do interesting and creative things with the video. The camera is waterproof and can survive rough handling, too, so it's suitable for mounting and capturing action. Creators who want to try their hand at 360-degree capture and the editing techniques that go with it should find a lot to like about the X4. Its HDR video profile handles mixed lighting well, and you can use the camera for special effects shots like Matrix-style bullet time and time-lapse with motion. Dimensions: 4.87 by 1.46 by 1.01 inches. Weight: 7.19 ounces. Type: 360 degree. Sensor resolution: 72 MP. Sensor type: CMOS. Sensor size: Type 1/2. Memory card slots: 1. Memory card format: microSD-XC. Battery type: lithium-ion. Minimum ISO: 100. Maximum ISO: 6400. 35 mm equivalent, wide: 6.7 mm. Stabilization: digital. Display size: 2.7 inches. Display resolution: touchscreen. Connectivity: Bluetooth, USB-C, Wi-Fi. Maximum waterproof depth: 33 feet. Video resolution: 8K. HDMI output: none. Flat profile. Number 2. GoPro Hero 12 Black. The GoPro Hero 12 Black may not be the latest from the action cam powerhouse, but we see it as the best value option in the company's current lineup. For $50 less than the newer Hero 13, you get video that's just as good, with excellent slow motion options, 5.3K 60, 4K 120, and 2.7K 240, plus 10-bit color in HDR, SDR, or flat profiles. A nearly square image sensor boosts picture quality for creators pulling vertical 916 frames for TikTok, while its rugged and waterproof build means you don't need an add-on case. The Hero 12 Black is about as versatile an action cam as you can find. Surfers, skateboarders, and other X Games participants can strap the camera to their person or board to get first-person views of stunts. Vloggers should appreciate its front-facing color display, standard tripod socket, and media mod accessory system. Dimensions: 2.0 by 2.8 by 1.3 inches. Weight: 4.5 ounces. Type: action camera. Sensor resolution: 27 MP. Sensor type: CMOS. Sensor size: Type 1/1.9. Memory card slots: 1. Memory card format: microSD-XC. Battery type: GoPro Enduro. Minimum ISO: 100. Maximum ISO: 6400. 35 mm equivalent, wide. Stabilization: display size: 2.3 inches. Display resolution: touchscreen. Connectivity: Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB-C. Maximum waterproof depth: 33 feet. Video resolution: 5.3K. HDMI output: none. Flat profile. Number 1. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro uses a big Type 1/1.3 format image sensor to produce crisp video in dim light that looks better than what you get from the GoPro Hero 13 Black. The Osmo's video resolution isn't as ambitious as the Hero 13's, but it still supports up to 4K 120 or 1080p 240, and it does better than GoPro for stills with 40MP RAW DNG and JPG capture. We love its large, dual touchscreens, 2-hour battery life at 4K 60, and waterproofing for depths up to 59 feet. The Osmo Action 5 Pro is the most well-rounded action cam for the money, and especially appealing to content creators who already own or may want to use DJI's high-quality Mic 2 wireless audio system. It's also a top choice for those who value low-light recording. The front touchscreen is handy for self-recording, and the camera's tough build quality means you don't have to worry about it breaking during rough and tumble use. Dimensions: 1.7 by 2.8 by 1.3 inches. Weight 5.2 ounces. Type Action camera. Sensor resolution 40 MP. Sensor type CMOS. Sensor size Type 1/1.3. Memory card slots 1. Memory card format microSD-XC. Battery type DJI Osmo 1950 mAh. Minimum ISO 100. Maximum ISO 51,200. 35 mm equivalent, wide 9 mm. Stabilization digital. Display size 2.5 inches. Display resolution 854,400 dots. Touchscreen. Connectivity Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB-C. Maximum waterproof depth 65.6 feet. Video resolution 4K. HDMI output none. Flat profile